This is smaller than the 80cc cylinder. But it said it was 80cc on the website. So we'll see. You better not piss on the box, Oscar. Okay. Here's the motor. Man, I mean, this just looks a lot smaller than the 80cc. Oh, I know what it is. It's a one-piece cylinder. Pretty sure. Yeah, it's a one-piece cylinder. I've never bought one of these before. Huh. Okay, well, we'll get it set back up on the tripod and then we'll finish unboxing all this stuff. Wow. It's a one-piece. Okay, let's get the motor out. Get away from it, Oscar. Make sure we're still recording. My dog touched the phone. Okay. Okay. There's the motor. There's gas cap. Take all this off. The chain. I don't know why y'all guys can see, but the chain. Alright. Well, everything just fell at the bottom of the box. The exhaust. Chain guard no one ever uses. Set that to the side. Maybe could use that for sheet metal one day. Application. The box out of there. Out of there. I think it's a 44 tooth sprocket, stock one that comes with it. Oop, I dropped it. The exhaust bracket, which I'm probably not going to use. Save that for something else. Chain tensioner, which no one trusts, but I've ran mine for 3 years now and no issues. Clutch lever, same one on the motobike. It's a tab instead of the button. Carburetor. Get away from my phone, Oscar. Everything for the sprocket. Looks like there's a heat shield spring and the clutch spring in there. Petcock, spark plug tool, fuel filter, all the hardware. Actually looks like decent hardware. This throttle cable, kill switch and throttle housing, clutch cable, and coil. The manual, no one ever reads. Okay, now we'll get you set back up here. Make sure we can see. Plug my phone back in. Well, these videos will have to be in parts because I know they're going to be super long, so I'm going to set up right there. Alright, let's get some tools. did my size 10 go? Oh, right here. Found another one. Okay. Mount motor. Man, his engine's a lot better than any ones I've gotten. Tell me the cross-threaded that on there. It's way too tight. Okay. I tightened that way too tight. Everything's stuck on here. Adjustable hammer. Unbelievable. Just hitting the bracket, not the motor, so don't freak out. This is just unreal. Alright, let's see the flat. Okay, there we go. Probably gonna need that, so I'll keep it there. Alright. See how we're gonna line up here. Okay. Chain guard's in the way. Alright, that's gonna be a problem there. I wonder if I have. What it come with? Aftermarket U-bolt. No, I don't think it did. And I don't believe I have another one. Let's see. Need a flat plate. And it did not come with one, so I don't have one. Oh. I'm wondering. I don't like running it like that. I prefer to have it like that. Just double check. Let's see what we got here. Well, that's the longest filter I've ever seen. Never seen a petcock like this either. Okay. Let's see what I can work with here. I already know this ain't gonna work. That's the back piece. Yeah, I don't want to do it like that. Oh. I just cannot believe that it did not come with that. It really sucks. It really, really sucks. I wonder if I got the... Hold on, I'll be back. Ooh. Alright. Alright, boys, we figured something out. I was looking for the flat bar that goes in between here, or the flat piece of metal. I found an old steering column for my four-wheeler, got the bracket mounted up, and then we're going to see if we can't flatten it out a little bit or put something in between here. I think it'll just be alright when we tighten it down. So that's how it's going to have to be. Alright, so let's get back to it. Poor George Floyd. That's what we're watching on the news right now. Let's see if we can see. Okay, we got a problem. There's no way of securing this to the cable. So it looks like we're gonna have to swap out these arms here.